Welcome to Maths is Easy. Hello friends, as there is always a need of help in calculating or solving mathematics questions on different levels, I am here for the same. Today I am going to start chapter playing with numbers because there has been a tremendous demand of solutions of playing with numbers. So I am heading forward to solve playing with numbers. So today in this video I am going to solve question number first, exercise 5.1. So hope you would like the solutions. So the question number first is, without performing the actual addition and division, find the quotient when. So first part is given as the sum of 45 and 54 is divided by part A 11 and part B 9. So let's check it out how to solve this. So as we can see, 45 and 54, both the numbers are interchangeable. So we can write numbers 45 and 54 are interchangeable. So if the numbers are interchangeable, one condition applies, that if we divide their sum by 11, the quotient will be the sum of the digit. Sum of the digit means 4 plus 5, that is 9. So we will write, if we divide their sum by 11, the quotient will be the sum of the digit. So here A part, here we can say 45 plus 54 by 11. So what is sum of 45 and 54? That is 99 by 11, that is 9. So the first condition was, if the numbers are interchangeable and if we divide their sum with 11, the quotient will be the sum of digits. Sum of digit here is 4 plus 5, that is 9. So this is the solution of A part of question number 1 of exercise 5.1. Now come to the B part. So B part is given as 9. So here we will write, if we divide their sum by the sum of the digits, we get 11 as their quotient. So where this condition happens? This condition happens if the numbers given are as interchangeable. Interchangeable means 45 can be interchanged into 54 and 54 can be changed into 45. Now, so addition of these numbers will be divided by 9, that means 99 by 9. So their quotient will be 11. Hope the question is clear. If still any type of doubt is there, you can ask me by commenting onto the comment box. Now come to the second part, where the sum of where the numbers 37 73 are given. So the numbers 37 73 are also interchangeable. So what we will write here? We will write numbers 37 and 73 are interchangeable. So in A part, if we divide their sum by sum of the digit, what we get? We get 11. Clear? So their sum is this, and sum of their digit will be 7 plus 3, 10. So it will become 110 by 10. So 10 ones and 10 ones. So here 11 is our answer. Hope the question is quite clear. Now come to the B part. So in B part we will write, if we divide their sum by 11, the quotient will be the sum of the digit. Now see 37 plus here 37 and 73. 37 not 37, 37 and 73. So 37 plus 73 by 11. So here 110 by 11. So quotient will be sum of the digit, that's it, which is 7 plus 3, 10. So have a full glance of second part of question number 1. Now heading to the part 3. So the third part is given as the sum of 93 and 39 is divided by 11 and 12. So in solution we will write, as the 93 and 39 are interchangeable, so if we divide their sum by 11, the quotient would be sum of their digits. So 93 plus 39 by 11, so it will coming out to be as 12 and 13, 11. So 11 ones and 11 twos, which is the sum of 9 plus 3, that is 12. Now second part, if we divide their sum by sum of the digits, what we will get? We will get 11. So 39, 93 plus 39 by 12, that's it, that is 132 by 12 would be 11. So here the condition is applied, or we can say applicable, for all the options given here. So that's all about the today's video of chapter playing with numbers, exercise 5.1, question number 1. In my further videos I would be uploading question number 2, 3 and whole exercise of the playing with numbers. So I hope you like the video. If you guys still having any type of doubt, you can ask me by commenting onto the comment box. And if you like my video, or if it is somewhere helpful to you, please kindly subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and share the videos as much as possible. Thank you so much.